thank you for watching my channel again. Today I am going to plant our containers in our terrace. This is our terrace, and as you can see, down here is our backyard where we planted our fruit trees and our orchard. And so this view is just absolutely stunning. We use our terrace a lot with our family, friends, sitting in the evening for a glass of wine, etc. So I always love dressing up this terrace because it's just one of our very, very loved area of our house and the most visited in the summertime. So we just prepared and opened everything, power washed it, so we are ready to start planting. I already planted my geraniums into the smaller pots, as you can see right here. And every year I plant geraniums here. Just, I make it very simple. I don't plant spellers too much because the containers itself are very small, and it doesn't take very long for the geraniums to start filling in and growing. And so I just like to keep it simple. But this year, it happened to be lots of coral colors, and so I always plant a lot darker colors here because the color of the house is kind of light and creamy, so I like to have a bright colors against it. But this time I thought the coral would look really, really pretty. And so because of that, what I decided to do is plant my centerpieces in our containers. I decided to go with the same theme and continue on with the geraniums. So I came up with a few of the plants for each pot. So geranium will be my centerpiece, and I think it would be beautiful because the coral color is going to kind of continue on throughout the terrace. And it's always nice to have a repetition of color or the same plant, just because it's restful to an eye, and you can it's nice. It's kind of makes it more continuous look, and I like that look, so that's what I'm going to go with it. But I chose geranium for my centerpieces, and then also I chose gazinias to go as a filler, because look, they have just really pretty orangey colors, and they're such a happy plants. They love the sun. Our terrace gets quite a bit of a sun. I think it's morning until about 2 or 3 in the afternoon, so it does get quite a bit of a sun. So gazinias love sun, geraniums love sun, so I try to go with the sun-loving plants. And after that, I decided to go with lobelia as my one type of spiller. But then I decided also to go with sweet potato vine. So lobelia will be really pretty, I think, against the orange and kind of a yellow color. And of course, they all go really good with the corals. And also sweet potato vine has that kind of a light yellow greenish color, which I think will complement to all the colors that I have. So I will go ahead and start planting. I already organized all the plants near each container. And so we'll go ahead and start. I did forget to bring one plant, and I will be right back. Okay, so here I am. So I was going to go with 3 gazinias in each pot because I think they will fill in really well. So I'll just go ahead and start planting then. So first, what I wanted to say, normally when I already filled the pots with a really nice potting soil. It's recommended to change the potting soil every year, but I usually just top them with a really good potting soil. And then I also start with a slow release fertilizer a little bit, so that will give a little bit of a quick food for the plants right away. So I just mix in really quick, and I'll start planting. forgot to, that's okay. I forgot to apply some fertilizer, but I can just go ahead and sprinkle around and just mix with the soil and it's going to be just fine. There we go. And just make sure that the root balls of the plants are very well packed with the soil, just to make sure that they grow really well and don't stick out or anything. And there we go. Okay, and so all it's left at this moment, all it's left to do is just water with some fertilizer, which I already prepared. I'm going to water it. Usually I started watering my annual plants or any plants that are hard producers. They produce flowers all the time and they need a lot of strength. I started using tomato feed and I had really good luck with it. So that's what I have in my container, just a little tomato feed with mixed with the water. And so I will go ahead and water it, and then we will update you how they look after a while. They should just start maturing and filling in this entire pot. Grab the water. So I think it turned out really nice because, like I said, with the coral color of the patio, the terrace plants, terrace hold pots, and also the large pots here in terrace, the colors are kind of all going together, and it's just really pretty. So right before we finish the video, for the garden update, I have just a few areas, or maybe a couple areas that I wanted to share with you because it just looks really beautiful right now, and I don't want to miss out the flowers. So I wanted to, maybe we can just go quickly and check it out and see what's happening there. Okay, and so we are here in a front garden, and I wanted to show you my peonies. They're just glorious right now. They're actually almost to the end, but I wanted to share that with you before the colors go away, because it's really hard to capture right when everything is happening, because they don't stay for very long. But we have another bouquet of peonies here that are open, and what I wanted to bring it out, I wanted to show you is this big rose tree that is just starting to bloom. As you can see, all of these are buds. So this entire tree is going to be in the flower here very soon. But I wanted to point out the colors of the rose colors. They go so well with the peonies, and this just layering of this area looks amazing. I also wanted to show you my rose garden, formal rose garden, I should say. It's looking really good. The roses are opening. They're called Boreal. They are hybrid tea variety. And look at this. These are amazing. I think they're just so beautiful, and I wanted to share them with you. They're all the same variety. And I love how this turned out. It's absolutely gorgeous. They're starting to open. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of buds on it. And also my hanging basket, really quick. It's doing really beautiful right now. Clematis. It's hard to pass by to show you all the pretty things in the garden. But I also wanted to point out all the delphiniums that we planted in the previous videos. They are flowering actually. These are the group of 3 that I planted here with the King Arthur, I believe. And it's starting to flower. It's starting to look really pretty already. I have a gorgeous hydrangea already open in this area. As you can see, it's lollipop variety. It's with the stem. I have to stake that because it's kind of difficult for them to hold themselves. But anyway, they are gorgeous. They're starting to open. And also look at my hanging baskets. I'm so happy how they turned out. These begonias are looking absolutely stunning, and I think they will hang as they go. And then I have this beautiful coleus on the side that is doing really, really beautiful. But anyway, I think this is going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope this will inspire you to go ahead and plant some flowers in your summer pots and enjoy them for the summer. So I will see you next one. I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.